This is the steel melting shop module. We have mixer management, converter management, ARS management, then continuous casting division, then bloom storage yard management, and then comes rolling mills. And the rolling mills module, it consists of receipt of blooms, charging into the furnace, discharging of the furnace, rolling and cooling, batching, cutting and sorting, bundling, piling of finished products, then campaign and profile management, and product tracking. The last module is shipping module. It deals with the warehouse management, dispatch management, stacking plan, receipt and stacking as per the stacking plan, external dispatches by road and rail, movement of materials for internal consumption, stock transfer. PPC, it starts with the branch order. Branch requested all the requirement to our head office, and head office compiles the orders and then place the marketing order. Then this marketing order, based on the marketing order, it goes to the PPM. They request to the PPM department to plan. QATD department designs the material specification as per the marketing order. And then SMS produces actual hits against the plan hits under the marketing order. Then QATD tests chemical properties and assigned grade at every stages of production. Then finished product hit numbers, section, size, grade. It is finished product is identified with hit number, section, size, grade. Let me tell, our products are, finished products are angle, channel, coils, rounds, billets. Then sample collection, and every stage we collect the sample and we send for testing, and final grade declared by the QATD. And after final grade declaration, we dispatch to the customers by road and as well as rail. Special features are, it is having interface. As I told, this total PPC system is having interface with WITS system, that is traffic system, wagon information and tracking system, that is a separate system. And this PPC is having interface with the way bridge management system. We have road way bridges, rail way bridges. So the weighment details and all these things we take to the PPC system. And from PPC system also, that challan number and against LSGP number, against a delivery order number, the weighment, so both directional interface is there. And this PPC system is having interface with material system, our marketing system. It results in this PPC benefits are order tracking. At every stage we can track the order. Then product tracking, material tracking, then reduction in quality complaints, and better dispatch planning, and electronic ISO record. This electronic ISO record is very important because we have clients in all the control pulpits. In SMS there are number of control pulpits. In mills there are number of control pulpits to receive the blooms, to charge into the furnace, discharge from the furnace, rolling, cooling, batching, then cutting, and finally piling. In all the control pulpits we have clients, and round the clock, day in, day out, all the operators, they enter the data. And there we face the challenges during implementation, because it has to be implemented none other than the operator level. So when we implemented, they said, what is the benefit to us? It is that information, all these things, it is required by the management. What we'll do with all these things? So we have to motivate them to some, because we thought that how to motivate them, because we have to lessen our efforts. Like they were conversing with the phone calls and all this, what are the upcoming materials, what are the upcoming grades. So those things we have incorporated in the PPC system, so that they need not talk about over the phones. Through the system, that operator guidance is there, so it helps them. So slowly, it motivates them to go for implementation. And another factor I would like to tell is that production rolling, the production quantity is very much linked with the incentives, our incentive schemes. So naturally, operators are more, they like to see what is the production in their shift, so that it is directly linked to the production incentive. So they assess on that. So at each pulpit, the online production, the rolling figure, we started displaying in the PPC system. So that gives the motivation to all the operators, because it is there in every pulpit, every client. So that gives them to motivation to implement this system. So they start feeding the data. And in all the control pulpits, they were logging the details, heat, grade, section, size, how many blooms rolled, all these things manually they were handled through the manual log sheets. Now after implementing this system, these manual log sheets are no more exist. And because everything is fine, These all records are maintained in our database. So whenever this ISO audit comes, we show these electronic reports. Okay, these are the PPC benefits. Let me skip. So these are the integrated results, seamless integration with other systems, dynamic dispatch, minimized quality complaints. It's a very critical system.
Thank you, the team. Thank the team from Vizag Steel Plant for making a quick presentation. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you coming and sharing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Delegates, sponsors for this excellent interaction. So before I give a request Ritika for a formal vote of thanks, I just want to say any of you have any questions, I can ask the speakers to speak wherever they are. Anybody has any questions? One or two questions we can definitely take. Otherwise, you can write down the questions and give to the ARC team. We'll get the replies. Ritika, can you please give the vote of thanks?
It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, Ritika Agarwal, on behalf of ARC Advisory Group and the entire, let me call it fraternity, of process and batch industries are here together to extend a very hearty thank you to all speakers and attendees for gracing this function and sharing with us your views and opinions over the last 3 days. I must mention our deep appreciation for the support given by all our sponsors, our platinum sponsor Rolta, co-branded TCS, gold sponsors Bentley, BHEL, L&T IAS, Propellant Fox, Rockwell Automation, and Siemens. Silver sponsor Celrent and Stiag. Our forum associate TechPro, our media sponsors A&D, Automation.com, Intech, and Prime. Industry associate sponsors AIA, CIO Forum, Council of Power Utilities, Indian Chemical Council, ODVA, and PLC Open. Further, I am grateful to Mr. K. Vijayanand for inaugurating the event. Also, wish to express my gratitude to Mr. Nandakumar, Mr. Raghoya Swami, Mr. Pankit Desai for their keynote addresses. Also, I would like to express my gratitude to our invited speakers, our President, Mr. Andy Chata, ARC Advisory Group, Mr. Ganpati Raman, VP and General Manager, ARC Advisory Group India, and the entire ARC team. Last but not the least, I want to thank HICC Novotel for their cooperation and support in making this event a success. Thank you.